of our past. Attitude is the librarian of our past, the speaker of our present and the prophet of our future.
कुछ देर की खामोशी है फिर एक शोर आएगा, कुछ देर की खामोशी है फिर एक शोर आएगा, आपका तो सिर्फ वक्त आया है जनाब, हमारा पूरा दौर आएगा.
Dream smaller. Look around. See all those hands. That's the fire inside you.
Please hold your horses because now I'm going to call Mr. Yogesh. Please big hand for Mr. Yogesh.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Who are you? My question is right.
Who are you?
Only one student. Awesome. Who are you? Now, I want to check your mindset is here or there. I am here. I am talking about something different that can change our whole life. That is motivation. Have you? आपने सुना होगा what the motivation video, what the motivation people. But what is motivation, guys? Motivation is the reason that help us move forward. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, sometimes we feel strong, sometimes we feel weak. But motivation gives us the courage to try again.
Try. Yeah.
Have you ever seen any people fail in our life?
Yeah.
Radha, have you ever made any mistake?
Yes.
I'm talking about Radha. Are you Radha?
Yeah, she is Radha, I think.
Male version of Radha.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, have you ever failed any exam?
Yes.
No, you are winner.
Yes.
I think many times. We all of us. है ना? But successful people, I am talking about successful people. Every successful person has faced many challenges, faced struggle, but they never give up. They work hard with focus, with dedication. Then he becomes successful. I like one line. If you fail 7 times, stand up 8 times. Means
Never give up. I won't try again. Try.
this means the end comes only when we stop trying. Do you know Dr. Rajendra Prasad?
Yes.
He became from a simple background family, but he believed on himself. He worked hard with focus, with dedication. Then he becomes successful. Guys, it teaches your background. Your background doesn't decide your future. Your attitude, your hard work, your focus decide your future. I'm talking about the 5C that we stop our growth and success. The first C is complaint. Nowadays, many people say, my father behavior is not good, my brother behavior is not good, my friend behavior also not good. I have no cycle, I have no bike, I have no car. I lost my GF. GF means goal focus. Be carefully, guys. Because of these complaints, they can't their growth. If you want to grow your life, don't blame anyone. You accept your mistake and keep growing. I want to share one thing. Listen carefully. या तो आप बहाने बनाओ, या तो बहादुर बन जाओ. Now I'm talking about the second C, that is compare. Many people compare themselves with others. They say he is better than me, she is better than me, he has lot of money than me, he has more powerful attitude than me. But they forget one thing: comparison is the thief of happiness. Comparison is thief of happiness. Don't compare anyone. Guys, do you know guys, a rose or a sunflower are both beautiful, but they blooms at different times.
Yes, you're right.
Don't compare yourself with others. यदि कंपेयर करना ही चाहते हैं, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday.
Yeah. Yes.
Because real competition is not with others. Real competition is with yourself. I want to share one thing. या तो आप तुलना करो, या तो आप तुलना करो, या तो आप तरक्की करो. Now I'm talking about this third C. That is, do you know?
Yes.
क्या? Criticism. Right. Clap for him. Now I'm talking about the third C, that is criticism. Many people have lot of time. They spend their time criticize others. They talk about people mistake. They find out what is wrong with others. Criticize others will never improve themselves. Guys, successful people never spend their time criticizing others. They spend their time to improve themselves and they focus improvement and growth. But I have a question. When people criticize me, when people criticize you, then what will you do?
I will slap him.
She will slap. Good. She will slap.
I want to share one thing different. जब लोग आपकी निंदा करें तो एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, निंदा उसी की होती है जो जिंदा है, वरना मरने के बाद तो लोग तारीफ ही करते हैं. Now I'm talking about the fourth C, that is comfort zone. Guys, tell me, आराम चाहिए या परिणाम चाहिए?
आराम चाहिए, आराम चाहिए.
Everybody is fighting for that actually.
Tell me guys. मतलब you have faced comfort zone ना?
हो गया है.
What will happen guys if an aeroplane stay in the same place? It doesn't move forward. It will never reach its destination.
Right.
Same thing apply in our life. We stay in our comfort zone. We stop growing. If you want to grow your life, leave your comfort zone. इसलिए तो कहते हैं मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी, भटकते ही सही. मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी, भटकते ही सही. गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Now I'm talking about the 5C, that is can't. Many people say I can't do this, I can't speak English. आप भी बोलते होंगे, yes or no?
Yes. You really good.
I can't speak English, I can't come on the stage, I can't become successful, I can't achieve my dreams. But guys, my question is not can you, my question is will you try?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Ask yourself, have I really tried or not? बिना किए फेल हो जाते हैं क्या?
Most of the time it happens actually.
Firstly, you should try. Because every successful person not successful because they never fail. They are successful because they always ready to try. Guys, you have two options. या तो आप ट्राई करो या तो आप कराई करो. Choose your option, guys.
Try.
कल कराई करवाया.
Then play that.
I'll do that. Yeah. Okay.
That is so interesting.
Yeah.
Please speak, guys, after me. I will learn. I will speak. I'm the best. I can everything. Because God is always with me. Now I want to end my speech with a famous line. बहाने बनाने वाले नहीं, बहाने मिटाने वाले इतिहास रचते हैं. Thank you guys, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Ashi,
What?
I think our audience have no sense, yaar.
I also think.
Yeah. If you guys have sense,
Prove
so you will have to prove.
Yeah. Prove it.
Yeah. What do you say, Ashi?
Should we ask?
Yeah. So ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो चलती तो नहीं है लेकिन सबको चलाती है?
पैसा.
Anybody else? Anybody else?
Mine.
No. It's a sarak. I said now our audience has no sense.
Yeah, that's true.
And they proved. So without wasting time,
I wanna call Mr. Chasmis, Mr. Manu Pratik.
wow, such a
इसी को कहते हैं घर का भेदी.
लगता है.
समझ में आया?
Hey, what happened? Why you all are looking very serious? I am not here to give you a homework or announce a surprise test. I am just here to talk about 5 things. Are you listening? Just 5 things that can actually helps us to succeed in life.
I thought in last.
Let's be honest. Many of us want success like instant noodles. Just waits for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah.
Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that. It doesn't work like that. First thing is hard work. Hard work is the foundation of success. Success doesn't come from waiting, wishing and making excuses. It comes from consistent effort. Every achievement we admire today is the result of countless hours of dedication and perseverance.
Good.
Hard work teaches us responsibility. It strengthens our character and helps us to turn our dreams into reality. Raise your hand if you believe success can come without hard work.
He's waiting for me. Continue, yeah. Okay, alright.
We make great plans at night. Tomorrow, I will wake up at 5 a.m.
Right.
and change my life.
Yeah.
Then alarm rings. Suddenly, pillow becomes our best friend.
Yeah.
Second thing is discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when motivation fails and challenges arise. It helps us to manage our time, stay committed to our priorities, and avoid distractions. Sometimes we doubt ourselves so much. Even when studying well, looking at exam paper, we think, did I study the wrong subject? So third thing is self-belief. Self-belief is the confidence that allows us to take the first step toward our goals. Before anyone else believe in us, we must believe in ourselves. Most opportunities are not lost because people lack talent, but because they lack confidence. Nowadays, if a video takes more than 5 seconds to load, people start questioning the entire internet connection. Imagine how difficult patience become. So fourth thing is patience. Patience. Here, how many of you planted a seed and how many of you planted a seed and expected a tree very next day?
Everyone. Yes. Everyone.
Yes. In today's fast-moving world, everyone wants instant success, but real success takes time. Life is like a Wi-Fi. Life is like a Wi-Fi. Sometimes the signal is strong, sometimes it's weak. But your attitude decides whether you keep going or give up. So fifth thing is attitude. It is something that defines who we truly are. People often say our attitude decides our altitude. It's the lens through which we view the world. Attitude is the librarian of our past. Attitude is the librarian of our past, the speaker of our present, and the prophet of our future. So, success does not build in a single day. It's built daily through hard work, discipline, self-belief, patience, and attitude. So today, I would love to talk about something that can completely change a person's life. First, I want to ask you one simple question. Why do most people fail in life? Tell me why. Why do most people fail in life? Is it because they don't have knowledge? No. Is it because they don't have opportunities? No. Is it because they don't have talent? No. Most people fail in life because they have too many excuses. That's why they fail in their life. Your future begins with the action you take today. As a student, we all have dreams. Some wants to be engineer, some wants to be IS officer, some wants to be army. But remember, dreams alone are not enough, guys. Dreams alone are not enough. Dream needs discipline. Dream needs effort. Dream needs dedication. As we are saying, I will try tomorrow. I will start next week. I will do hard work next month. I will change myself next year. But truth is, tomorrow is the most dangerous word in dictionary because tomorrow never comes. There will be distraction. There will be days when you feel unmotivated. Maybe you fail in exam. Maybe you make mistake. People may doubt you. But remember, failure is not the end. Yes, guys, failure is not the end. It is the beginning of learning. Yeah. So, success does not come in one day. Success does not come in one day. It comes after many sleepless nights, failure, sacrifice, and patience. It comes step by step, little by little. So do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Are you better than before? That is real progress. And do not quit just because it feels hard. Every strong person once felt lost. Every fluent speaker once felt struggle. And every dream starts with one step. And APJ Abdul Kalam beautifully said, if you want to shine like a sun, first you born like a sun. Everyone, yes, everyone wants success, but nobody talks about the lonely nights, the failure and the sacrifice behind it. And the truth is how much hate you can survive. If you are struggling right now, so keep going and remember, darks are burned in darkness and suns are forget in fire. Maybe you feel lazy, maybe today you think you can't do it. But that is normal. Everyone has days like this. But difference is what you do next. If you stop, nothing will change. But if you continue, your life will slowly become better. So, whenever you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Remember your dreams. Remember your parents who wants to see you succeed. Remember your future. You want to become successful. So keep going, keep trying, keep believing in yourself. And at last I want to say you, your future is not decided by your past. Your future is not decided by your past, but your future is decided by what you do today can change your future. So stop saying, stop waiting, stop comparing yourself, because today is your day, because today is your choice.
Yes.
In one program, APJ Abdul Kalam was invited and he asked, APJ Abdul Kalam sir, how did you become so successful? Do you know what he said? Well, everyone was sleeping. Well, everyone was wasting time. Well, everyone was making excuses. I was working. So remember these lines. These lines will change your life. And can you repeat with me these lines?
Yes.
I can't do it.
I
have to do it. I will doing it until I succeed.
Until I succeed.
Remember? Always remember. Always remember, dream big, work hard, stay focused, and never keep giving up, because great things takes time. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.
That was very energetic and commendable. So now I want to call a tremendous speaker, a mind-blowing speaker, a very energetic speaker, Mr. Rehan on the stage. Please come, Rehan.
Guys, none can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. So very gentle morning to all of you guys. It's your energy. I don't want any money. I'm asking for your 5 rupees or 10 rupees. I'm just wanting your energy. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. That's the energy I want. How are you? I'm absolutely fine after watching your energy. So, I want to start my topic. The topic is not just a topic. This is the part of your life. This is the game of your life. It can make you from earthworm to elephant.
Wow.
What is this? That topic means the mindset. Your mindset decides how you are. Your mindset says who you are. Your mindset helps you to become what you want to become. Your mindset helps to achieve your success. Sometimes you want to do something, you fail again and again. You are trying, but you fail. Nobody believes you. You try, you fail. You fail again and again. You lost every time. The lights are cut off. Your life is in darkness, but still you are looking at your dreams and reviewing it every day, saying to yourself, it's not over until I win. That means the real power. That means you are now motivated. That means your mindset is working positively. But when you feel like I'm done, I can't. It is not. You are not saying that I cannot. You are not saying. Your mindset is saying that I cannot. You can do this. You know I can do this. But mine is not ready to say. Why? Why? Do you know why? Because your mindset is like that. In our society, a lot of people believe that girls should stay at home, and every time they are always making roti vagera. But they are not different from what we think. We think girls also need education. They must educate it. Why we think like that? Why they cannot? Because of their mindset. They are not different from us. If we have 2 hands, they also have 2 hands. They don't have 50 hands. They don't have 4 eyes. They don't have tails. They are same as we are. So why they think different? Because their mindset is like that. Their mindset is like that. When your mindset says what you have to do, you do automatically it happens. What you are saying, I can do this, I can do this, you will do this. When you say I cannot, this is not for me, you cannot. The famous saying is, there is a will, there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह वहीं राह है. What you think, you become. If you have the thought, I have to do this, then you can do this. There is a famous shairi in that, so I want to present in front of you. That is, जब मन में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, जब मन में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर क्या मुश्किल और क्या आसान, जो ठान लिया सो ठान लिया. When you think, when you talk, when you need it, when you have to do it, when you want to do it, you can. No one can stop you. You are unstoppable. You are limitless. You will decide your limit. What you can do, no one can do. But believe on me. You don't have self-belief. Why? Why your mindset is not ready to find out the problems? Why your mindset is sleeping? Why? Because you are not ready to wake up your mindset. Some people don't want to come on the stage. Why? They don't have leg. They also have leg. They can walk and come on the stage, but they are not coming. Why? Because of their mindset. Their mindset are not allowing them to go, and this is not allowing them to say in front of public. Why they have fear? I am saying, is anyone killing me? No. You have knives. After that I will go. You will kill me? No. We are supporting each other.
Right.
So why too afraid to speaking something in front of people? This is India. This is a democratic country.
Yes.
Nobody will kill you, yaar.
Yeah.
So start working today. When you work today, the people don't say of people's what people says. The work of people is saying. They will always say you. When you will get success, they won't see what your hard work. They will just see you are successful, you are earning a lot of money, you are going with your anywhere, you are going with your luxury cars. They are only seeing your power. They are not seeing hard work behind your attitude. They are not seeing what your mindset says, what you work hard, what your alone nights. They are not saying. They are not seeing that. They only want your passion. They only want your money. Very beautiful thing is money. They are just looking at your money. They are not looking at your hard work, and they will never look at your hard work. Why they will look at your hard work? Remember when you were alone, anybody come to you? No. Why? Why they will come to you? Because you are alone. You don't have. You are a student. The main reason you are a student. They have no respect of a student. Why we want to become like them? We want to become like him. He have money. Okay, we are students. We can do it. We can become better than them. If people are demotivating you, say them politely. कि कुछ देर की खामोशी है फिर एक शोर आएगा. कुछ देर की खामोशी है फिर एक शोर आएगा. आपका तो सिर्फ वक्त आया है जनाब, हमारा पूरा दौर आएगा. So thank you guys. You all were supporting me. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Such a fiery performance he gave. So now it's turn to my co-anchor. But now she will speak her speech. So please put your hands together for Miss Ashi.
Hey everyone. Hello. How are you? I'm absolutely fine.
I'm here.
Raise your hand if someone ever told you you are not good enough. This is too big for you. Dream smaller. Look around. See all those hands. That's the fire inside you.
Yes, yes.
Today I am here to say, don't dream smaller, dream bigger. Because the man I am talking about, he started with nothing. He ended with everything. 1932, Rameswaram, a boy is born. His family is poor. At age 14, he sells newspaper to feed his family. Now tell me, if this boy could become the missile man of India, the leader of Agni and Prithvi satellites, the 11th president of India, and there is nothing to what can stop you. Tell me, what is stopping you? He didn't have money. He didn't have privilege. He had one thing. A dream that never let him sleep.
That's great.
Kalam shared 4 keys to success and life. That is aim. First is aim. You all have decided one aim.
Yes.
Or maybe 2, 3.
Of course.
Second is knowledge. You all have some knowledge. And third is virtue. Fourth is what? Guess? Fourth is hard work. Now you can connect all these words in your mind. So repeat after me. Push your limits.
Push your limits.
Follow your passion.
Follow your passion.
Work hard and stay dedicated.
Work hard and stay dedicated.
Dream bigger.
Dream bigger.